TeeSpring Know How eBook. The name Teespring might have you thinking about golfing in the spring, but nothing could be further from the truth. This site has absolutely nothing to do with golfing and everything to do with T-shirts and crowdfunding. Teespring.com is a site that allows you to get creative and design your own T-shirt, then market it using crowdfunding. Bottom line, you could make a lot of money or you could fail miserably. Having a better understanding about Teespring is a good place to start. It will help you determine whether Teespring.com is a good match for you and your cause or your entrepreneurial ideas. In this ebook, you will learn about Teespring Reviewed. Is Teespring right for you? How to build your own t-shirt company with Teespring. Why crowdfunding at Teespring works. Using your Facebook pages to make money with Teespring, and more. Download your ebook now.